you're going to make aloe vera oil, aloe vera hairspray, anything with aloe vera, make sure you are soaking it in water for a couple of minutes. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we are going to be making an anti-shedding hairspray. We're going to be using cloves, Chebe powder, rosemary leaves, and of course aloe vera. As usual, all the measurements will be in the description. I am going to go ahead and just mix everything together, the rosemary, the Chebe, and the cloves, then add distilled water and let it infuse for a couple of days. As you guys can see, I am using half an aloe vera. I am going to slice them, then leave it in clean water overnight. Guys, this step is very, very important. This is because this has toxins and we need to let out the toxins. This is what causes your scalp to itch if you do not soak it in water for a couple of hours. I am also going to show you guys what it looks like now. As you guys can see, the water right now is clear. It doesn't have like any dirt or anything, but watch after a couple of hours how the water is going to change. Now I'm just going to let the Chebe mixture and the aloe vera sit overnight. Let's get back to the video. Now, as you guys can see, look at that water. Can you guys see the difference in color? This is why it is very important. When I was still new to this, I just used the aloe vera right away and my scalp was itchy. So since then, I have decided to always soak it. So now I am just taking out the aloe vera gel, and after which I am going to blend everything. If you're going to make aloe vera oil, aloe vera hairspray, anything with aloe vera, make sure you are soaking it in water for a couple of minutes. Now I am going to go and blend this, and then we will go ahead and strain our Chebe and rosemary and then mix it up. Stay tuned. So we are aware that Chebe powder reduces split end and hair breakage. It promotes hair growth and it improves the thickness of your hair. We also know that aloe vera is good for conditioning the hair scalp. It stimulates hair growth and it reduces hair fall. And cloves, which we already know on this channel, promotes hair growth, healthy hair, reduces dandruff, and helps blood circulation to the scalp. As you guys can see, I am now straining the aloe vera. That is the juice that is coming out from the aloe vera. And now look at the gooiness. It's so, oh god. But yeah, so we're not going to use this part. We're only going to use this. Now I am now going to go ahead and also strain the Chebe, rosemary, and the cloves. This part, just be patient. If you guys are looking for something to use to strain, you could buy cheesecloth from Amazon. I'll try and link everything in my description, or you could use your wig cap. Now the mixture from this, we're also going to mix it, add them together with the aloe vera juice. You also have to be very patient and careful when straining, because you don't want the grainy parts to go into what you have strained. Guys, this really looks like iced tea, but guys, don't drink it. Now I am going to add some of my oils, amla, the wild growth, vitamin C, and of course the vegetable glycerin. You could go ahead and add the essential oils of your choice. I also did end up adding peppermint. As you guys know, I love peppermint because it soothes my scalp. That brings us to the end of the video. If you do try this, let me know how it went. Let me know if you like it. And remember, if you're allergic to any of these things that I'm using, please substitute something else for it. Brings us to the end. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.